Where's the login? Oh, and come on. Why would you put bug fixes and release notes inside the source code where everyone can see it? Oh, that's just stupid. Let's do a recap. September 24, Philhealth shuts down the system after a cyber attack. The attack targeted websites and application system. September 25, the Department of Information and Communication Technology made a public statement that Philhealth was hit by a cyber attack and it is a ransomware in which the hacker asked for $300,000. October 3, hackers had released the partial Philhealth data on the dark web, around 730 gigabytes of it. October 5, Philhealth blamed the hack on an expired antivirus. The failure of renewal was caused by procurement issues. October 12, National Privacy Commission released a site where you can check if your data has been leaked. Now, when I was starting out this channel, I was planning on creating a series of video on enumerating and finding vulnerabilities on government website. And as I enumerate those websites, one thing became clear. Oh, there are a lot of vulnerabilities because the government websites are outdated. And my friends would always joke me about daring me to hack the government website, and I would always say, who would you think would win, an intern or even a mid-level developer, or me? Because the budget of our government, even if it's big, they are always trimming down their expense on the developers that they use on developing this website. And let me show you how. Okay, now here in front of us is the Philhealth website, and as you can see, the whole website, it is 2014. So it has been 9 years since the website has been updated, which is very bad. And let's just right click view the page source and see if there is something interesting in it. We can find certain vulnerabilities. We do have jQuery 1.5.2. This is something that we can put on the notepad. We can take a look later. Okay, so I'll just open it. Maybe just put it there. We do have downloads, and they do have forms in it. Let's do some basic path traversal. And now we have the Nginx server version, and this is something that we can look for to or later. So as a rule of thumb is, if you have this type of certain versions and technology, you should hide those as much as possible. For example, this one, we can just go CBE and check what are the vulnerabilities on it, and if there are some, and check if there are some POCs that we can use into attacking the website or attacking that certain version of the technology. And for this one, I know 1.0 has an exploit for remote code execution, so it is really good. As you can see that they have updated it to 1.20.1, but that was 2 years ago also, so I don't know. So Nginx 1.2.0, so these are all just static, and it seems like path traversal is being secured by this type of shield or guard. Okay, let's go here. If we can see anything useful, this one is weird. They just commented this out. What we can do? Yeah, it's just a JPEG, so nobody cares about it. But one thing that you can do when those type of things, if you go to what you call it, web developer in any of the popular browsers, you can go element, and for example this one, it is commented, and if you want to know what this thing does, you can just, I think, edit, right click, edit this HTML. Let's just remove the comment and see what this thing do. So just click enter, and maybe, I think that is the, no, I don't know where it is. Maybe I can put it like here. So this one is the pop-up, this one. So yeah, it's just something that is hidden, that is not really showing inside this what you call it, inside this website. So what we can do is, I'll just close this down. They do have online services, and it says that these online services are the one that has been hacked, and now it is up. So let's just pick one, and I'm claiming this. Right click, page source, and let's see where's the login. Oh, and come on, why would you put bug fixes and release notes inside the source code where everyone can see it? Oh, that's just stupid. Okay, so at least it is a good sign. We know that the developer is stupid, and probably have done something stupid in here. So let's see. This one is stupid too. You don't put the full URL in a post. Yeah, you just don't put it. You usually just put /login, and it should be good to go. I'm guessing this is something. So let's try opening Postman. Chances are, if someone put it the URL, the full URL like this, we can create a post call even if we are not this domain. We can do a cross domain post call, and let's just do it. So let's copy it. Let's put it here, and as you can see, there's a let's do a post method, and it is a form. Okay, usually forms, what you do is xww form URL encoded. The keys are the name of the inputs here, so let's just put p username. Let's just say test, and let's just go p user password, and let's put test. Okay, so I'll just click send, and as you can see, it is returning an alert, invalid username password, which is so stupid, because what I can do is I can create a very easy script, or an easy script that just calls this post method over and over again, and I can check out, if I have a username, check out different types of password against this. That is how stupid or how outdated this type of approach that they have. They should have put there's a thing called course authentication, or course policy on that API. And what course policy do is this one: cross origin resource sharing. Only certain URL, domains, IP address can access that API. Not any IP address should be able to access that, especially if it's a login page. So let's see. That is something that I have found. That is a vulnerability in just a few minutes of looking at the website of Philhealth. I have surrendered to the fact that my personal details would be there somewhere in the dark web. because of the technological shortcomings of my government, unfortunately. And I think I am more aware than the average person on how scams would work using my personal details, and if ever they become successful, yeah. Hey, congratulations. You can now access my $100 bank account. It's all yours. I am only hoping that something good would come out of this, like the awareness of our government in cybersecurity, and hopefully this would be the catalyst of having something like GDRP in Europe in maybe the next few years. And I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and please consider giving this video a like if you enjoyed it. Till next time, my fellow Hakista.